Number 2 is Anycubic Kobra Large 3D Printer. Hey there, future 3D printing maestros! Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey into the captivating world of 3D printing with the extraordinary Anycubic Kobra Plus. This magnificent machine is the ultimate choice for teenagers eager to explore limitless creativity. Prepare to be blown away by its mind-boggling precision. The Anycubic Kobra Plus boasts a revolutionary auto-leveling system featuring an impressive 25-point precise leveling. With just a single touch, you'll effortlessly achieve printing perfection. No more tedious manual leveling, it's all about convenience and flawless results. But hold on! There's even more to love about this genius contraption. Equipped with a filament runout detection and power-off resume function, the Anycubic Kobra Plus is your loyal companion during those unexpected glitches. Fear not if you run out of filament or encounter a power failure. Now, let's talk about size, shall we? Brace yourself for the mind-blowing news. The Anycubic Kobra Plus offers an astonishing 2.5 times larger build volume than its predecessors. With an expansive printing size of 300 by 300 by 350 millimeters, you'll have ample space to transform your imaginative concepts into reality, with room for your wildest ideas. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.